Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at why Excel CoPilot really accelerates your data analysis task and how it helps you do data analysis in Excel even if you do not know many of the features of Microsoft Excel. But before we dive right into it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel and on data analysis across different technologies. So let's take a look at the data set, which is the same data set I used in my previous video on why we should always use tables for data analysis in Excel. So this data set contains some information on the product sales for different products across different categories on different dates by different salespeople. So let us now see if CoPilot can help us do the data analysis. Say I do not know many of the Excel features. Let us see if CoPilot can help us. So I'll go here, I'll click on CoPilot. Okay, it will try to contextualize the data that is loaded to the sheet and it will give me some suggestions on what I should do. So I can start off from scratch if I don't know what I want to do. If I do know, I can ask it some questions. So let's see, it is loaded. Let's see what suggestions it is given. It has said, do you want to create a formula, understand the data, apply color and formatting? So I'll say, let's try to create some formula columns. Okay, let's see if it can figure out what I need. So I have unit price. So I have the units sold and the price per unit. Let's see if it can figure out what is the logical formula column I would need. So it is analyzing this range and it has felt that total sales would be a good option because I have the unit price and I have price per unit. So total sales would be a next good option, which is actually correct. It has given the explanation and it has shown me the output. I can click on insert column and see the preview, and if I feel it's correct, I can click on insert. Right? Now I want to do something else. Say I want to give bonus to the people who have done different in the sales. So I'll say, can you write a formula column, and let's say we want 5% bonus, to give 5% bonus to people with sales over say 300, and 10% bonus to people with sales more than 600. So let's see if it can figure out what it should do. That's it. And again, it's working on it. It's going to see the same range and find out what is the most logical formula it can apply to this range, and it will create a column formula for us. So let's see, it has written the conditional formulas in if statements, you can see, okay, and it has also shown us what is the bonuses. I can click on OK and insert column, and you can see here. So let's see now if it can suggest what other probably column formulas I need. So I'm going to click on this, show a suggestion for a formula column. If I like it, I can use it, else I can ignore and I can continue my data analysis. And now it is again trying to analyze all this data with the bonuses and total sales and see what is the best option. So again, in this case, it has again done tried to find out the sales, the overall performance by adding their total sales and their bonus amount. So this is not making a real good sense to me. So I'll try to ask it for another option. Give me another column suggestion. Okay. So and let's see if we can find out. So it has said it has a column that combines product and category. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so again it gives you different options for you to do data analysis. Now it will, I think, combine the product and category and give you another categorical column. So let's see how it's doing. Okay, so you can see it has combined these two and given you another categorical column. So I can do this. It will help me in my data analysis, and you can see this is quite good for here. Now let us see if I ask it to show data insights. Okay. So it will probably try to generate all the different charts and pivot tables based on its best guess analysis, and I can definitely ask different type of analytics I want. But I'm just showing that if you don't know, if you're starting from scratch and you want it to help you, it will give you the different guidelines. It will give you the outputs of what it means. Okay. So I'll say add all insights to grid, and this will add it all into another sheet. Okay, and I can see all of the insights together. If you can see here, let me move this to this side. It's generating all the insights in one place. This is like a dashboard for you, a one-stop dashboard. Okay, so this is really helpful, and I can analyze all the data in a single place. So let me just close this. Once it's inserting the content, yes, let me close this. Okay, and so you can see it as giving me the total sales by date. So on each date, what are the total sales, what is the trend, and by each product and category, which is a new categorical column, what are the number of units sold. Then it has also shown by each category and salesperson what is the number of what are the price per unit. So it's given me quite a few useful insight. It showed me that that Emily has the majority of the bonus, so this is the most high performing employee, and it also showed that the units sold and total sales are highly correlated. So it is giving me some correlation along with the pivot table. So you see how it has done a quick data analysis. Even though if I'm new to Excel, I can get all this analysis done, and if I know what detailed data analysis task, it can really help me. And if I don't know, I can rely on it to guide me on what data analysis I need to do to get more insight into my data. If you like this video, do leave a like and a comment if you want to see more such videos on the CoPilot features for Microsoft Excel, and not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analytics across Excel and Python. Thank you.